Always is a good idea to open File Explorer and from the menu Views to enable Show Hidden Files. By this way we can see all files that are located in some directory. Second thing that we need to make is to open Visual Code Studio and to download some themes that will show with different colors our code. For this can happen from the top extensions, and for example we can search for one Dark Pro is one of the themes that I use. Press over button install, and Atom 1 Light theme is my second option. Press install, and from this drop down menu select again the same name, Atom 1 Light. Okay, and for quick test we can, for example, open .bash rc file, right click over file and open with Visual Studio Code, and we have now this theme. If we like to change it from File, Preferences and Core Theme, we can select from this list, for example one Dark Pro, and this is a new theme.